Apple 13-inch MacBook Air. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Took a while to bite the bullet and invest in a Mac as they are rather pricey. I am so glad that I did though. I just love this laptop. It's so lightweight and the battery lasts a full day so I don't have to drag a charger around with me. I have used laptops for years and this is the first one that I have found that is truly portable. If you are wanting a good laptop to take with you to school, work or the local coffee shop, I would recommend picking this one. Even if you are new to Mac as the operating system is easy to pick up on. Shipping. The next day the order was showing up as delivery unavailable. We'll email you with a date even with 2-day Prime, so I got an adjustment from Amazon for the trouble and was considering canceling altogether. Turns out it arrived on time regardless and with no notification until an hour before delivery. Call me surprised when it actually showed up on my doorstep. Besides that, inventory hitched. An excellent purchase from the Good Deals seller. Packaging. The package arrived intact. The Apple box itself is brand spanking new, with the slightest ding in it. Nothing to write home about. The housing seems legit to me. As a Mac owner of several types, what did seem off was the inside of the box seemed to have rips in it. Not a big deal. It is Chinese made after all. As far as I can tell, this is brand new from the factory. Product. Came with High Sierra 10.13.3 and I was able to update to 10.13.4 a few days later, which significantly made it faster and more secure. As a product, it's good enough, but I prefer my desktop Macs versus laptop Macs anyhow. Lacking Retina does not bother me at all and I can even tell the difference from my IPS monitor on my custom Mac Mini. I do like that there isn't as much glare as with the Retina. My friends and colleagues have some and on a sunny day, I get less glare distraction. The reason I purchased the Air versus the MacBook is the ports and the wider keyboard. This computer is wicked light and, had I gone with the smaller more expensive MacBook 2017 Gold, I would have felt cooler but ultimately been less productive. As a marketer for several businesses and a retired packaging designer, I really love the ease of use of the Air. The keys could be a smidge bit smoother, in that the clicking causes a bit of strain on my hands. Nothing that can't be handled with a few more coffee breaks. And more significantly are the ports availability. I can AirDrop files back and forth or use Google Drive for the rest, so memory has yet to be an issue. In the even I find it a hassle. I found a few companies that will boost the drive with more flash memory if need be. I was extremely hesitant to buy this MacBook Air because of the negative reviews. But I am so glad I did. I received a brand new MacBook Air, exactly as described. It was delivered in the original box and according to Apple, was a brand new unit. It booted up without issue, ran smoothly and quietly, and worked perfectly when syncing to my iPhone and Apple Watch. I had no issues whatsoever and would recommend you take the leap and purchase this laptop without a second thought. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.